As in Nigeria, you fully understand that you are not allowed to create a fully working PayPal account that can request for money and then also withdraw money. You know, can only create a PayPal account that can send money. Maybe you want to pay for something, you can only create for that, but to request for a payment is not allowed. Okay, so if you have already made a PayPal account and you are looking for how to verify your PayPal account with your USA bank account, trust me guys, this will work perfectly for you. All right, so I believe in my recent video I made a video on how to create USA bank account that you can use to make payment and you can use to also request for a payment. This is exactly what I'm saying, and we did this in our recent video. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping the link where you can actually watch that video on how to create one for yourself. All right, so just follow the tutorial on how to do that. So once you are done, you can come over here and see how we can verify our PayPal account, all right, with our USA bank account. So here we go. All right, I believe you know the process. Okay, here we go. We just have to link our USA bank account here. All right, you created your bank account, you just have to click on this top up here to view all your details that you need. All right, so here we go. If you want me to make a video on how to create a fully verified PayPal account that you can use to request for a payment and you can use to also withdraw your money, just state it down below in the comment section of this video. That is the reason why I'm here, to help you guys, and if I find out comments, I can easily make the video and publish to you guys. All right, so all you just need to do, since you have already made an account, you just come to the top up here to find the details that you need to verify your account or to verify your PayPal account. So these are the details that you all need. So you just have to copy this, copy the account. So it's a saving account, not a checking. All right, so you can check it here, it's a saving account. Okay, I'm just going to here paste the, okay, then go for routing number. All right, just paste the routing number here, then click on the link your bank. Okay, it's going, let's see. All right, here we go. So asking us to request for a code if it's actually we are the one requested to verify our PayPal account with our bank. Okay, I've successfully received a code, so I'm just going to type in the code here. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go, verified. Okay, here we go. So let's see, here is it. Okay, so here is it. This is my my Visa card that I linked to the PayPal account. Okay, here we go. So if you have any question regarding this video, drop in down below, and if I find a comment, I'll be very grateful to help you guys. All right, and don't forget to make video like this, and if you love this video and you want to know more, don't forget to please subscribe and turn the bell icon on to make sure you don't miss any of my future content. All right, see you guys, bye bye, I love you.